Hello everyone, it's Katya with Lunar Sun Creations. I'm just here to share with you another mini album. This one's a custom order. It's using the Fairy Dust tutorial that I have on in my Etsy shop. The client requested it to be a black, red, and white album. It's supposed to be a romantic album, so there's a lot of hearts and romantic things in there. The papers, like most of them I got from digital downloads on Etsy. I'll put a link down below. Some of the papers, honestly, I have no idea where I got them. They've been in my stash for a really long time. I just went with everything that I had that was black, red, and white. Okay, well, I hope that you love it, and I will talk to you again soon. Big hugs. I hope you're having an amazing day. Okay, so this is the front of the album. I love this paper. It's got a really nice latch on there, and the latch actually has a little heart. I don't know if you can see that. It's hard to see. The client who ordered this album, it's she wanted to be quite romantic, so there's a lot of hearts and things like that, and it's really nice textured paper on the sides. And there's the back. Sorry. Okay, and then you open it up, and this is very simple front here. These are left open so that you can stick a photo right there. This is a magnetized swing tab, and it's got a little stamp heart on there, and that swings down and that lifts up, and then this goes down and opens side to side like that. And then in the center, this is I did some stamping, put it on some chipboard, and then it's magnetized, closing that. So these opens to the side, and then these both open to the side again, and they go up and they go down. I'm just gonna pull it over so you can see both sides are the same. So a spot for journaling there, and then a whole bunch of pictures. And then the other side is the exact same there. And then this is a pocket, so I've got a nice big booklet kind of thing in the pocket there. And then these close back up like that, and like that. So that's page 1. And then on the next set of pages, I think this looks really cool. I like the whole layout of this one. So this did quite a bit of stamping on this. I had some really great heart stamps, so I really went wild with them. So it's 2 pieces that lift up like that, and then this is a pocket here. And then this opens to the side. And then this opens to the side. These are both magnetized. A little more stamping there, and that closes up like that, and then the whole thing also lifts up. And then on the opposite side, there is a metal heart swing tab, so that turns like that, and this lifts, this goes down and out, and so does this one. Close that back up, and then this whole thing goes to the side, and then it also goes to this side. Zoe really wants to be part of the video today. And then this goes up and down like that. And then the next set of pages. So 2 magnetized swing tabs here, and that opens, and that opens, and then this is like a kind of a waterfall, but it's got, each one of these is a pocket. So close that back up, and then this one does the same thing with the pocket. And then one more time. So this waterfall only has 3 sections, but it has a lot of room for photos. like that, and then that goes back. Okay, and then on this side, got this popped up rose here, and it's magnetized. So these two open to the sides, and then they open again. And then when you close them, you can pull this whole section down. And then this whole part opens up, and you've got the pop-up part, and then this part of the pop-up opens. Okay. And then on the next set of pages, so this one has so much room for photos, it's crazy. So this opens to the side, and opens to this side, and then opens up. And then this one does the same, so it opens to that side, and it opens up. Zuri, come on, buddy. And then, oh, I haven't put paper on this one yet. There's supposed to be paper there. I'll add some in a second. And then it also opens to that side, and then it opens up. So a lot of room on that page. And then over here, this heart charm is magnetized, and it's on a little ribbon there, so pull that out of the way, and then this opens and opens again, and it's just white. And then this opens to the side and again, and then these go up and down. I'll try and pull that into frame a little more. So. And then, oops, and then this whole part opens to the side. And this other part opens to the side. And then we've got a pocket here with another little booklet for photos. And then over here, this opens to one side, and then these both open to the other side. And then on the last pages, so there's two magnetized swing tabs here, and this opens up, and then another magnetized chipboard heart stamp, and these open to the top and the bottom. And then this opens to the side, and this opens up. And then there's a little arrow here to show you that this twists around, and then this opens to the side and to the side. And this magnetizes back where it's supposed to go, and that all gets done up again, and then the whole thing flips up. Okay, so those were all pages from the Faerie Dust album. This particular, the back page here, the client wanted this one as well. This is from the Master Detective album. So both of these are magnetized and flip up, and that flips down, and this flips up. And then when you take these and spin them, and they magnetize into place like that, then you can open this up. And because of the spine, it doesn't open all the way because it wasn't meant to be in a back page, but it was an addition. So that opens up like that, and then this is a pocket here, and I just need to put a tag in there. And then these also open to the other side. So that opens like that, and this one opens like that. So that is the album, just another chalkboard sticker there, and yeah, I think it turned out really well. I'm quite happy with it, and yeah, I hope the client likes it as well. So if you'd like to make something like this, It's amazing what things look like when with just different papers. So again, that's the Fairy Dust tutorial with a little bit of the Master Detective Sherlock Holmes one. Awesome! Thank you again for watching, and big hugs! Wow!